our surroundings clean.
Invest in a reusable water bottle. Acquiring a reusable water bottle would not only greatly reduce the amount of single use plastic, but it would also save you lots of money. Use your own reusable ceramic cups or mugs. Think about how many disposable cups are used every day in a local coffee shop. Imagine how much waste we can reduce if we all use reusable mugs and tumblers. Bring a bag. Remember to bring reusable bags made of jute, cloth, etc. for any shopping activities. This will reduce consumption of single use plastic bags and pouches. Refuse single use items. Refusing plastic straws and disposable cutlery when you go out and bring your own containers for leftovers are a few ways you can start today. Shop in bulk. This way you will reduce the packaging material and its cost. Make sure your waste goes to the right bin. It's good for the environment. There are lesser health hazards if our wastes are disposed of properly. This includes not having our surroundings polluted and instead ensures that our society remains as healthy as possible. Composting is the process of recycling organic matter such as leaves and leftover food, fruit and vegetable peels, etc., into a valuable fertilizer that can enrich soil and plants. Composting at home will help in reducing the use of chemical fertilizers, which is not only harmful for humans and animals but has an adverse effect on our environment too. Reduce the use of personal vehicle as it adds to pollution. The more the number of vehicles on the road, the more pollution. Instead, use cycles or public transport to commute. Conserve water. Do not let the tap open unnecessarily. Try rainwater harvesting. It is a method that involves the collection and storage of rainwater for further use. Usually, rainwater will be collected from rooftops and stored in tanks, and the same water can be used for other activities such as car washing, watering the trees and plants, mopping, washing clothes, flushing the toilet, cleaning the dishes. And hence, water, which is a very precious resource, can be saved and utilized wisely. Conserve energy. Switch off the lights, fans, and other electronic devices when not in use. Do not litter. It is hazardous not only for humans but for innocent animals too. Refuse single use plastic. Reduce the use of energy and resources. Start using reusable items. Don't throw away items. Be crafty and start using them for many different purposes. Discard away the recyclable items in the recycle bin so that they could be used and converted to some reusable items. This way we can save our planet, Earth, our home.
We hope you liked the video. Subscribe to Jingle Kids. Bye.